Merry Christmas to everyone. It's 6:30 a.m. Christmas Day. We're taking Jack for a walk. We haven't seen a single car yet or a single person. Not surprised, I guess. So we're just taking him. It's very hot today, so I know we have a hot Christmas over here. So we're just walking him to the coffee shop and get a coffee, take him for a bit of a walk before it gets too hot. So I wanted to touch on some of Jack's training for becoming an assistance dog. So one of the parts of getting him to become an assistant dog, I found here, at least in Australia, is I need to get him a transport license. If you go to the transport department and look up getting a pet license, it will then give me permission to take him on basically trains and buses. So there's a form to fill out with that. It's fairly basic. It's just a form that has all the dog details. There's a section there if he's been professionally trained or if I've trained him myself. There's a section where the doctor fills in to say that you require an assistance dog, and there's also a section where I'll have to take him to the vet, where the vet just has to certify that he's healthy and he hasn't got diseases and all that type of stuff. And then I have to take him to the post office and get him a passport photo, like for a person, because he's going to get an ID with a photo in it apparently. So that's going to be quite interesting, getting him a passport photo at the post office instead of for a person. And then I should be able to take him on trains. So that'll be another stage of him moving towards a fully certified assistance dog. So now it's January 2025. I've sent all of Jack's license requirements away, so got a letter from the doctor, a signatory from the vet, and also a declaration by me to say that he's been trained and he doesn't have any reaction issues in public and all that type of stuff. So I sent that away a couple of weeks ago, and now I've got an email come back saying that he's been approved. So now I'm just waiting for the license to be delivered. One thing I noticed here in Australia, if you book a longer distance train travel, say one that takes hours where you actually need to make a seat reservation, I can actually reserve a seat. You can reserve a seat for your assistance dog, which actually doesn't cost anything. So he'll actually get his own seat on a train at no cost to me, which is good. That being said, most of the trains here are almost never full, so it's not like I'm taking someone's seat. The trains is a bit of a dying industry, especially for longer distance. Everyone wants to fly or drive. When I get his license, I'll make an update to that. Apparently your license has been delivered, boy. Let's go check. Come on. You notice how he waits for me? Come on. There's someone there. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go check your license. Come on. Okay, let's see where they left it. Is it over here? Down here. Strange. They said they delivered it, but it's not here. I guess that means it's at the letterbox. Come on, let's go to the letterbox. Come on, let's go check. So here's his pass with his little passport photo. That's what the other side looks like. And I've got a little necklace thingy. So now I need to go buy myself a clear plastic card holder.